Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope that everyone is doing good. So today I will try to do a quick breakdown on how to do the metal cutting effect, which I have done in this last animation. So if we take a look at the pictures of the metal cutting effect, we'll notice that it consists of little particles. So a way to do this is to use a particle system which consists of various and multiple little objects. So what I have done is that I created a little object right here, something like this, just something simple. So what I have done is that I created a little object right here, where I want our particles to be. So after creating a particle system, what is going to happen is that multiple little particles will come out of this object, because it's the part where our cutting device is going to cut through. So when I have added a particle system right here, these are the settings that I have used, the number of the particles that are going to be emitted out from this object, and start frame and end frame, and the physical type that is going to or the type of physics that is going to be on this particle system. And yes, that's quite it. So when we play in this animation, you notice that these particles are coming out from the object that we want to. Afterwards, when we are going to render, as you can see in our little object that we have created, I have added an emission shader to it, which is going to give us that effect that we want to simulate the effect of cutting metal. It's just simple gradient shader plugged into principal shader with emission value set to 30, and to have more realistic effects, and to try to simulate the effect in real life, I have added a depth of field to our camera so that it can simulate to have that blurred effect for our particles that are coming out from our object. And also I have added motion blur here so that it gives us also the impression that these little particles are moving. So when we do a quick render of this frame, we notice that the effect of motion blur and depth of field of our camera is giving some realism to it. And here is the whole animation and the effect that we are going to have when we render the whole scene. So that's it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope that you have benefited from it, and see you in next one, inshallah.